Hello everyone! Today we are going to do something different from our usual episode. But before doing that, and because today in New Zealand and Australia, it's Father's Day. Also in Fiji. Wait, really? Yes, I googled it. Okay. So where was I? We would like to greet all dads, especially our very own dad, Peter. Happy Father's Day. You're an awesome dad. What we are going to do is to react to a couple of old photos. Eventually, we will react to a video clip taken sometime in 2015 honoring dads. And as I said, it's Father's Day. So we are going to react to old photos of us with Dad as well. We haven't seen the photos yet. Dad picked them out for us. Are you ready for the first one? Yeah. Here's the first photo. Oh my gosh, your duck lips. I had duck lips. I've got really slim eyes. You're like, so you're like this, and then Dad. Okay, what's the next photo? Okay. Oh my gosh, more duck lips. Good job. Oh, I have chubby cheeks. Why does Daddy look like a student from Harry Potter or something? And your lips again. Jamila is so cute. Your cheeks are so big and your eyes are so big. Like, yeah, that's so cute. Okay. Next photo? Yeah, okay. Oh, Peter's so cute. He has a Spider-Man bib. I remember that. I love how the middle part of his hair, like there's like lots of hair in the middle, and then there's the sides, there's bald. Like bald. Okay, next photo. Okay. We went to SM. SM, which is in the Philippines. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. Jamila's eyes are like. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I like Daddy's shoes. What was I holding? Oh, I like those shoes. Oh, is that the Elsa shoes I used to always wear? Look at Dad's face. Okay, next photo. It's your birthday. First birthday? First birthday? Yeah, first birthday. Oh, cute. He's like, your cheeks are also so big and your eyes are red. Really big. They're red. Like Jamila. Okay, next picture. Oh, I'm pouting. You're like, it was my christening? Christening? Yeah. That's Mila's name and that's my name? No. Yeah, it is, but like, there's only one R and there's an I at the start instead of an E-I-R-R. Okay, Diana, go to the next one. Oh. I was scared that time. Yeah, I remember you were scared of those like bug thingies. Beetle things? Yeah. Okay, next photo. We have that in my room. Yeah, we do. Oh, Daddy's wig. I thought it was at the church, but it wasn't. I didn't know it was in the church. Okay, next one. Next one. Oh my god, I'm picking my nose. Oh my god. You're like, Daddy's face is like. Now it's time for the video. The video we are going to react is a song by John Barker called Thank You for Being My Dad. And what's interesting about the video clip is that it's not him singing, but us. Yes, but in 2015. So it must be something to laugh about. So here we go. Father, happy Father's Day. Thank you for shaping my life. Thank you. Thank you for teaching me all you can. Jamila's a conductor. Your teeth are blunt. It's like really spaced out. Your tongue. So that's it for today. Again, happy Father's Day to all of the fathers out there. So yeah, see you. Bye.